Good afternoon. Our exam is over. And today we discuss the second lesson, adaptation in plants. Please listen here, the second lesson, adaptation in plants. Plants grow everywhere. Plants grow everywhere. The natural home or surroundings in which a plant grows and lives, and it's called habitat. Listen, what is habitat? Please listen to me. What is habitat? The natural home or surroundings in which a plant lives and grows is called habitat. The beginning, the plants grow everywhere. From where? Ground. Please listen here. Ground. Near houses, near sea. Next, in the hills. Plants grow everywhere, for ground, near houses and in the hills. Next, near sea. The next, what is habitat? What is habitat? The natural home or surroundings in which a plant grows and lives, and it's called habitat. Clear? Clear? Yes. First of all, the plants grow everywhere. That is in the hills, ground, near houses and near sea. The second one, what is habitat? What is habitat? The natural home or surroundings in which a plant grows and lives, and it's called habitat. Clear? Yes. The next one, the plants adapt themselves to suit their natural surroundings. The plants adapt themselves to suit their natural surroundings. For example, cactus plants and water lily. Cactus plants and water lily. The plants adapt themselves to suit their natural surroundings. For example, cactus plants and water lily. The cactus plants grow in desert. Cactus plant grows in desert. You know desert? Yes, the cactus plants grow in desert and water lily grows in water. Okay? The plants adapt themselves to suit their natural surroundings. For example, cactus plants grows in desert and water lily grows in water. Clear? The plants grow in different places, in a particular place. For example, the first one, the different types of plants. Listen to me. Terrestrial plants. You know terrestrial plants. What is terrestrial? Terrestrial means to live on land. Then what is terrestrial plants? The plants that grow on land. That is called terrestrial plants. Can you say example? Terrestrial plants. Yes, mango tree, yes, coconut tree, etc. These are terrestrial plants. I repeat once more, the cactus plant grows in desert and water lily grows in water. And the next one, terrestrial plants. The different types of plants, the first one, terrestrial plants, the plants that grow on land, that is called terrestrial plants. All of you understand what I say? Yes. The next one, there are different types of terrestrial plants. There are different types of terrestrial plants. Listen here. Different types of terrestrial plants. Different types of terrestrial plants. First one, plants in plains. Plants in plains. And the second one, plants in marshy areas and plants in mountains and plants grow in desert. These are the different types of terrestrial plants. The first one, plants in plains. Plants in plains. In a plains, the plains are flat. Plains are flat and large areas on land. Some areas of plains have, please listen here, some areas of plants have hot weather throughout the year. Some areas of the plants in plains, some areas of the plains have hot weather throughout the year. And some areas of plains have heavy rainfall. Listen here, the plains have hot weather and plains have heavy rainfall. Some areas of plains have hot weather and some areas of plains have heavy rainfall. The first one we discussed, the plains have hot weather throughout the year. The most of the plants grows in these plains. The most of the plants have in these plains shed their leaves in some plants in these areas. In this hot weather, in these areas, the most plants shed their leaves in autumn. Okay, you know autumn, the season. Please listen here. The plains have hot weather throughout the year and these areas, some plants, these areas, please listen here, the plants in plains. The plains are flat and large areas on land. Plains have hot weather throughout the year. And in these areas, the plants shed their leaves in autumn. For example, that type of plants called deciduous plants. For examples, neem. You know neem, mango and peepal. These are the examples of deciduous plants. It shed their leaves in autumn. Clear? The next one, plains have heavy rainfall. Some areas of plains have heavy rainfall, that is called heavy rainfall, and these areas, the evergreen, to remain green throughout the year, that is called evergreen plants. For examples, coconut tree and rubber. Clear? I repeat once more, please listen here. There are different types of terrestrial plants. Different types of terrestrial plants. The first one, plants in plains. Plants in plains. Plants in plains, that is evergreen plants and deciduous plants. Deciduous and evergreen. Plants in plains, there are two types of plants, deciduous plants and evergreen plants. Deciduous plants, it shed their leaves in autumn, and evergreen, the green, to remain green throughout the year. For example, deciduous plants, examples, neem, peepal, mango. These are the examples of deciduous plants, mango, neem and peepal. And the evergreen plants, examples, coconut tree and rubber tree. Coconut tree and rubber tree. Clear? All of you understand what I say? Yes, I repeat once more. The first one, what is habitat? What is habitat? The natural home or surroundings in which a plant lives and grows, and it's called habitat. Clear? The next one, the plants adapt themselves to suit their natural surroundings. The plants and animals are living in a particular place. For example, the different types of plants. There are different types of plants, that is terrestrial plants. In these terrestrial plants, there are different types of plants. First of all, plants in plains. I repeat once more, please listen to me. Plants in plains. Plains are flat, large areas on land. In these areas, the most plants shed their leaves in autumn, that is called deciduous plants. In these areas, the most plants have hot weather throughout the year. For example, deciduous plants, example, mango, neem, peepal. And the next one, some areas of plains have heavy rainfall. Some areas of plains have heavy rainfall, that is called to remain green throughout the year, that is called evergreen plants. For example, coconut tree and rubber tree. The terrestrial plants, the first one, plants in plains. All of you understand? Clear? Yes. Okay. The next one, plants in marshy areas. Plants in marshy areas. These areas, the marshy areas, please listen here, it has sticky soil. Marshy areas have sticky soil and with a lot of water. Clear? Plants in marshy areas have sticky soil. What is the features? Plants in marshy areas, the soil have sticky soil and with a lot of water. The trees that grow in these areas, that is called mangrove tree. mangrove tree. You know mangrove tree? Yes, that is the plants in marshy. It grow in marshy areas. The trees that grow in this region, that is called mangrove tree. All of you clear? The mangrove tree, the plants in marshy areas, the marshy areas have sticky soil with a lot of water. In these areas, the trees that grow in these areas, that is called mangrove tree. Clear? The next one, in your textbook, the roots of a mangrove tree. The roots of a mangrove tree do not get air from the soil. The roots of a mangrove tree do not get air from the soil. To get air, they grow out of the soil and water. These roots are called breathing root. These roots are called breathing root. The important one, breathing root. Clear? The plants in marshy areas, in these areas, the trees that grow in these areas, that is called mangrove tree. The roots that called breathing root. Breathing root. Then what is the specialities in marshy place? In marshy place, in marshy region areas have sticky soil and with a lot of water. Clear? Understand? Yes. These are the second case, the plants in marshy areas. The important one, mangrove tree, that's root are called breathing root. Clear? Yes. The next one, the plants in mountains. Please listen to me. Plants in mountains. You know mountains? Please, in your textbook, first I read this paragraph. Please listen here. It's generally colder in mountains than in the plains. Some trees such as, for example, pine. You know pine. You can see pine tree. Yes, fir and deodar grow tall and they are cone shaped. The plants in mountains, the cone shaped tree, cone shaped. Please listen here, cone shape. Cone shape. For examples, please listen here in your textbook. Please look at this. Please look at this in your textbook. Plants in mountains, fig tree. You can see fig tree, it's a cone shape, okay, cone shape. Now these trees are called coniferous trees. These trees are called coniferous trees. Please listen here, these are the fig tree. For example, fig tree, it's cone shape. Understand? Cone shape, that is called coniferous trees. Coniferous trees, it's grow in mountains. Okay? Please listen to me. The plants in mountains. Plants in mountains. In this region, in these mountains, the plants that grow in mountains, that is called coniferous trees. The coniferous trees, it's cone shape. Cone shape. For example, fig tree and pine tree, etc. All of you understand? Clear? Yes. Now, today we discuss the different types of plants, terrestrial plants. There are different types of terrestrial plants. The first one, plants in plains, and the second one, plants in marshy areas, and the third one, plants in mountains. Different examples. All of you understand? Then all of you read well in your textbook. Read well 1 or 2 times. All of you understand what I say? Yes. Today I wind up our class. See you next class. Thank you.